Afternoon, everybody. I want to thank Prime Minister Netanyahu and President Abbas. Our goal remains, as it always has been, for the Israelis and Palestinians to reach a final status agreement, not an interim agreement, a final status agreement. Both parties remain committed to fulfilling their obligations to stay at the table and negotiate hard during the 9-month period that we set for that, for their great hospitality. And for their joint commitment.
This is the postcard from Jerusalem. It's not often you get to see the old city and the Golden Dome with the Dome of the Rock blanketed in snow, but it's because what weathermen say is an icy blast that's come all the way down from the North Pole. Now, it was snowing through much of the day Thursday and all through the night, and it's given Jerusalem one of the heaviest dumps of December snow that locals say they can remember for a very long time. Now, people really aren't used to these kind of conditions, and the city certainly isn't prepared. Police say that overnight they helped several hundred motorists that were stranded on the streets around Jerusalem, and the power companies say that several thousand homes were left without electricity as broken trees brought power lines down. If you look on top of this car here, you can see how much snow fell overnight. Even US Secretary of State John Kerry has had some problems. He's in town for the latest round of Middle East peace talks, and he had to cut his meeting short with the Palestinian authorities because the snow was coming in hard.
We were ready. We have food, we have heating, we have everything we need. We didn't send our children to school. We were ready for it.
Well, it's good to know that the people are prepared. So there you have it. You know, as the morning goes on, the snow seems to be starting to melt, and people like Mayor Suissa are out here clearing the snow. The weathermen say this cold snap could last through till sometime in the weekend. I'm Carl Penhall, CNN, Jerusalem.
Thank you.